Just like Mama told me, but there's someone whose love is real, who cares about the way I feel, every pain and erase every stain. There's peace when I call out your name.
Listen,
Jesus, you're my everything. The cross you did that just for me.
so whatever.
So whatever you take me through, I promise you, I'll spend my always with you.
Can you lift your hands and help me worship our Father? He's not dead. He's risen. Listen,
No one can touch my heart like you, or make me smile the way you do.
I finally
Found someone who really true let us be.
and
When my strength has come and gone,
your life
your life in me, it makes me strong.
your hand, Father,
Your hand is where my heart belongs.
because
You took all my pain
and erase
and erased every stain. Jesus, you're my everything.
the cross.
The cross you did that just for me.
So whatever,
So whatever you take me through,
I promise.
I promise you,
Come on, come on.
I'll spend my always with you.
Jesus, my whole life.
Jesus, my whole life has changed.
Yes, sir.
Since that day I cried your name.
For every time
For every time you brought me through,
I make this promise,
I promise you,
I'll spend.
I'll spend my always with you.
Did he say he'll never leave you? Did he say he'll never forsake you? How many of you believe it? Let me hear you in here. He won't let you down, right? He'll catch every tear. So if you know him to be your father and he cares for you, come on and stand on your feet and help me praise him in here. Come on, come on. Sing!
Jesus, you're my everything.
Oh, come on and worship with me. Sing!
The cross you did that just for me.
So whatever,
So whatever you take
Come on.
me through,
I make this promise
I promise you,
that I will spend
I'll spend my always with you.
my whole life, Jesus.
Jesus, my whole life has changed.
When did it happen for me? That day I got on my knees.
Since that day I cried your name.
So for every time.
For every time you brought me,
Oh, come on in Houston, I promise.
I promise
Come on and help me worship.
I'll spend
I love you. Let me hear you say, spend.
Spend my always with you.
Do you love him in here? Do you love him?